Hey everyone, it's James. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my homemade iced coffee. Before I start this video, I would just like to say my Instagram is on the screen right now, so make sure you go check it out. So I'm active on there all the time. Like, I post daily, so yeah. And without further ado, let's get in the kitchen. So guys, here is what you will be needing to make it. You will need whipped cream, which is actually optional, vanilla bean paste, which is also optional, sugar, which is also optional, milk, which is kind of optional, it depends if you have your coffee with milk, coffee, which is required, and obviously a cup to put it in, which is my Starbucks cup. You will also be needing some ice, which I forgot to get out earlier. So you want to add your coffee into the cup, and you can add like 2 teaspoons-ish. I always eyeball it because I just know the sort of amount I like, but it's all preference based of how much you like in there and how strong you want it. And then with sugar, you just pour a bit in as well. Depends how much you want. Again, just your personal preference. I have quite a lot though. So now you want to add your vanilla bean paste, and the vanilla bean paste is so strong, like you have to get the smallest bit out. That's why I was being careful with the lid and everything. But just put a little drop in and just stir it through, and it will be really nice, trust me. Actually try this. So now you just want to add your hot water, and you don't have to put too much, you don't have to put too little. It's just kind of how much you want, because this makes it taste quite different. It depends how much water to milk you put in it. But I put quite a lot of milk so it stays a bit colder as well, because remember the water's like hot, so you've got to cool it down a bit with the ice and everything. So just add your ice. You can add as much ice as you want. It's like all preference, this whole fit video literally. But I usually put more than this. I just couldn't get as much out today. But yeah, just give it all a stir, and then you want to add your milk finally. And as you can see, it's coming together now. It's pretty much done. And I just want to mention that I didn't have the squirty cream because it actually ran out. I didn't realise it was empty, so I didn't add that, but obviously you guys can. And yeah, that is that done. Okay guys, so that was how I make my iced coffee, and I'm sorry it had to be a voiceover. It's because my family are actually in that kitchen because they're working from home because of Corona at the moment. But yeah, it's really good. It's a very basic recipe, and it's really good for me in the mornings. It actually keeps me awake because this stuff, the Nescafe one, the one I get, is actually really strong and it's just amazing. I added a bit too much sugar to this one, as I said earlier, but yeah, I'm actually happy with how it turned out today. And obviously this cup is like so iconic for a coffee, and I actually got this in New York in Macy's, so that's where I got it from if anyone would like to know. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button, and if you want to subscribe, you're more than welcome to, because I'm going to be uploading quite a lot like throughout lockdown. All my social medias will be linked in the description box down below, and yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.